Chevys is good on the eyes. It's more than a hood thing. It's about that Chevy love, man. I do what I love, and I love what I do. It's more than a habit, cause I'm a Chevy addict. Yeah, man. Do what you love, and love what you do. If it's more than a habit, be a Chevy addict, ain't it, man? Chevys get ready. 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 Chevys get ready.
I do what I love, and I love what I do. It's more than a habit. I'm a Chevy addict.
It's a Chevy thing. Rolling in my Tahoe on 28s. I gotta be great. Making an earthquake and windows shake. 418s make it scream. Or I can come real cool and slide through. In the cut is old school on 24s. You know what I mean, man? It's a Chevy thing.
Do what you love.
What's up, YouTube? Happy Labor Day, y'all. I'm out here, got a little package in the mail today for my bill. So I'm gonna show you what's going on. Give me a minute. Alright, y'all, I'm back. So I got this little package in the mail today. Excuse my dog's background. So I'm gonna let him outside in a minute when I end this video. But anyway, y'all, gotta send this to my bill. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, show you, and tell you what I got. Stuff from my exhaust system side, y'all. So I'm going to show you what this is. Came in the box right here. Came busted right here. I'm going to go ahead and show you what it is. It's my X-pipe, y'all. So I'm going to put this, the rest of my stuff. Show you what I got. 2 inches. 2.5, I'm sorry, 2.5. X-pipe. Made some material could tell. I see you. Anyway, y'all. So I'm gonna get this powder coated black to match my car. Mufflers. So let's see what happens. This is my first time getting an X-pipe, so I'm trying to see what happens, y'all. So hope you enjoyed my little small unboxing, y'all. So I'm gonna pack this up in the box, get ready to ship it out. At the end of the week, I'm gonna get my water pump and the rest of my stuff. So let's get it, y'all. YouTube, I'm back, YouTube. Boy, I'm getting parts around the clock, y'all. So these is the couple parts I needed for my bill. So I'm gonna show you what I got so far. And I showed you one this morning. I thought that was it. I got some more stuff, which is right here. Amazon, these 2 AK from Amazon. I'm gonna show you what these is. These right here supposed to be my springs. So I'm trying to package this up and get ready to get shipped out tomorrow, y'all. So let's see it. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed, y'all. Oh no, I'm sorry. This is my portrait valve, y'all. Got a big in it. So I seen it on video. Somebody took this out right here. And straighten that out. That's why they can't bleed them. So I'm gonna do the same thing. So this right here. This was a bowl on the car right here. So this to this. Put this back in the box. Inside the bubble paper. Go ahead and open this. This right here. This is my water pump, y'all. It misses some pieces, bro. Oh well. This is my new water pump. On my old water pump, I broke this little ear right here. I broke the little ear right here, so that new water pump right here. So I'm going to put this back in the box. I'm gonna ship all this off. Ship all this off. So that's it, y'all, for this small little unboxing, y'all. So got some more stuff to send off, and he get it soon. So holler at me later on, y'all. I'm gone. YouTube, I'm back. YouTube, how y'all doing on this Labor Day? All right, y'all. Got out of work this morning at 4:30. Got home by 5 o'clock. So did my live coming home. Hope y'all enjoyed my little live. I had a little fun in my live. Met a lot of people, some more people to the family, y'all. But other than that, y'all, I got this unboxing to show y'all. I went with this B&M shifter, and give me a minute, y'all. I'm gonna set it up and let me show you how it look. Give me a minute. All right, y'all. Here you go, right here, y'all. The shifter right here. I'm gonna unbox this, show you what I chose, and it's upside down. All right, here we go. Right here is my shifter. I got a knob. I'm trying to change the knob out too on my shifter, y'all. So this is right here for the 1260. So I'm gonna show you the shifter I chose right here. So that's my shifter. Everything up in here, which is my shifter cable, my pieces for the transmission, the bolts for the transmission, and that's it, y'all. So light and easy and to the point. So I'm going to back this back up and go ahead and get this thing over and done with, y'all. So man, a lot more parts to go, y'all. I'm gonna cut you back on. All right, y'all. I did buy my relays from PSI. He has those already, and that's it. The end of the month, I'm going to order my cam, my carpet, and my intake, co-air intake. And I'm ordering my headers also. I'm gonna send all that straight to him as well in this month, y'all. So stay tuned. Tomorrow, y'all, I got to get my springs, put in that box, and send that box off at the end of the week. Once I feel like I get everything out of the way. So, like I said before, y'all, like, comment, subscribe. Let's get it. YouTube, what's up, YouTube? Now you see. I'm back with my last unboxing for the month, for the week, for the year. This is my last unboxing, y'all. So y'all want to see the next stuff I get, because I'm shipping my stuff to his shop starting the end of the month, y'all. I got 2 boxes right here. Gotta go. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this to show you what I bought for the car, y'all. I hope y'all enjoying y'all day today. It was a nice warm day we had out here in southern Alabama. Shouts out to SS Gang. He the one told me about these pieces right here that I needed. Gave me the links to them. Give me a minute, y'all. Yeah, he gave me all the links to these pieces right here, but last box is out the way, y'all. So I'm gonna unbox this to show you what's in here. In this little bag right here. So alright, y'all. My springs, y'all. Y'all can see the glare, right? Y'all see my springs, right? And I got these right here. It is LS7 springs. I'm sorry, LS6 springs. I'm sorry, LS6 springs. So that's it. So like I said, this box is getting shipped off real soon, y'all. So this is the last piece to the puzzle, y'all. I finally got all the stuff I needed out the way. So now this box is going away, y'all. Hopefully I can get everything sent off this week. So you will get it. I might just tell you, I might go ahead and send this off the end of the month, honestly. Because I want him to get everything done with the engine. So this is the engine, we done. The LS6 springs, we got it, y'all. So let's get it, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed my small little video. And last video, stay tuned now. The next video is gonna be about my game room, y'all. So stay tuned for that. And y'all gonna see inside my house. You know what I mean? No more sitting in the cars on live stream no more, y'all. So now I gotta get some stuff done for the house, bring some stuff to the house. I got some more stuff coming, so that video might be stretched out too to Monday until I get my laptop in, the program, new MacBook coming to the channel. So shouts out to that. And y'all, let's get it, y'all. Peace.
The whole world better recognize Chevy's is good on the eyes. It's more than a hood thing. It's about that Chevy love, man. I do what I love, and I love what I do. It's more than a habit, cause I'm a Chevy.